Hey Matt, quick assumption and a question. So I'm assuming that this tactic you're recommending to be used for both prospects and existing clients. Is that correct?
Yeah, when you say existing clients, I'm assuming you're saying people that were upselling and stuff like that?
Yeah, like if I have a relationship with somebody for a year, 2 years, 3 years, I mean, am I going to go through all this work to send this email when it might not necessarily be required?
What do you want them to do?
Well, either way, we want them to sign a contract, right? But
Then
throw a
go
lot of
through
time and
this.
then say a cold prospect who I'm trying to impress the pants off of.
Great question. Especially use this with a current client. Here's why. You've had a relationship with them for 2 or 3 years. Okay? I realize they're fun to talk to and you like talking to them, but especially with current clients where we have a good relationship, those good relationships will cause you to be so depressed on New Year's Day because it was those good relationships that caused you to miss, or if you're not on fiscal year, if you're on your fiscal year, not on calendar year, it's those good relationships that cause us to miss our goals. It's those good relationships that cause us to miss club. Because it's like we never really put the skids down and go, here's the process, right? I'm following the process. And those people you have great calls with. Here's the problem. It's hard to tell, was this just a great call because they like me and we have a relationship for 2 to 3 years, or do I have it on rails of what's going to happen? And then they end up being like, oh, I didn't get around to it. Did you hear what happened with Sarah? Yeah, her daughter broke her arm at a horse jumping thing. And then it's like the next thing you know, you missed your forecast, right? So with everybody, make sure that we've got a fine line between our friendship and our relationship and our professionalism, right? Just because Rich has ridden in the airplane with me 500 times and we're going out for a boys' weekend in the Hamptons doesn't mean that I'm not checking the fuel, the landing gear, the flaps, and all that stuff. Like this deal is an airplane and I want to make sure it doesn't crash. So now my answer to you would be different if you're like, what do you want them to do? Oh, I want them to agree to come to our client summit. That might be easy. But if it's a deal and there's money and it's not just, hey, come and have lunch with me, do one of these. They're not that hard. A great question. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.